Tired of chasing payments after every Calendly booking? This video will show you how to link Calendly and Wise for seamless scheduling and payments. First, let's clarify this integration isn't direct. We'll be using a connector tool like Zapier or make these platforms act as the bridge between Calendly and Wise. Head to Calendly and log into your account next. Consider the event type you want to link to payments. You can either modify an existing one or create a new one. Let's work with an existing event. Click Edit on that event. Now, go to Zapier and log in or sign up. Click Create Zap. Search for Calendly as your trigger app. Select Invite created as the trigger event. Connect your Calendly account. Next, search for Wise as the action app. Select Create Transfer as the action event. Connect your Wise account, making sure to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Now, configure the Wise transfer details. Select the source and target currencies. Map the amount due from Calendly to the amount field in Wise. You might need to add a custom field in Calendly to capture the payment amount. Test your Zap. Send a test booking through Calendly. Check your Wise account to ensure the transfer details are correctly populated. Once you're satisfied with the test, turn on your Zap. Now, every time someone books an event through Calendly, a payment request will automatically be created in Wise. Automate your bookings and payments by connecting Calendly with Wise. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment below.